Let us see the performance of all the charts that we discussed yesterday, the 19 charts that we do, including the indices, the currency pairs, oil, commodities, and the crypto. All right. So let us start with the indices. Okay, we have USD, US 100 CFD cash, which represents the NAS 100. All right. So our day started with the continuation in the fall. All right. We retested this support level and again we shorted. Okay, we got technical bounces at the level of 12009, which I was talking in the recent videos also. Okay, so we played level to level. This was also a resistance. It formed a head and shoulder like pattern, but this acted as a double top, double bottom. So we pulled back again, a sort of inverted head and shoulder pattern we can call, but this is in a rounded neck form. So it is a slight confirmation that it will at least test the next rejection level. So we got a retest of this zone, but we got a sold out. Okay, we played level to level. Here was a trap. Again we took a pullback and tested the zone. This was a zone between that I told 12117 and 12102. All right, and again we got it sold out, forming a triple bottom. See, this is a triple bottom pattern. All right, and it fell. See, in the forex, okay, in the forex, the patterns are formed same. The all the patterns, the technical patterns are formed in the same manner, but their design, their drawing is somewhat different. All right, we need to be very carefully monitoring to find one. All right, and then again tested this zone for the third time, took a bounce again. So the level of 12009, as I have been telling, will be acting as a support. But yes, if a level is tested again and again, it becomes weak. So if this level is reached, we can see it further falling down to the level of 11989 and 11944. All right, so be cautious. Here also we have a sort of triple top formation, so watch for the level of 12009 again in the today's closing. As for playing level to level, the level of 12052 to 12117 gave us many opportunities to scalp and take positional trades. All right, now let us see the US 30. Similarly, historical trend line was breached, and I'd say that 31267 is the level to be tested for. We have to wait for a closing above that. If it is breached, we got opportunity. First of all, we got this opportunity to short it down in the starting of the day, and then this trend line was tested again and again, the historical trend line, which it couldn't breach and give a closing. This acted as the resistance one, two, three times, four times. It tested it but couldn't breach it. All right. So for now, the level of 30939 will tell whether it has to take a pullback or it has to come down and test the support level of 30827. Okay, let us see Euro USD. See, I'll not tell anything in this now. See, played level to level. Okay, this was a head and shoulder pattern. See, okay, and see the levels are tested. So to find the strong support and resistance level, like the ones I marked with the yellow one, to find the blue lines which are the swing resistance and support levels, this is the thing for scalping. And the historical data tells us the sharp movement. Okay, sharp rejection and sharp movement. So for that, please do enroll for the course so that you can learn and find the insiders of the market, that how the big players will move the market, because we can only study and predict the market, but yes, the market is moved by the big sharks, the big institutions. All right, now this is USD JPY. See how beautifully level to level took a bounce, a double top W pattern got broken, forming a triple top sort of formation, gave a breakdown, and see how the levels were broken, retested, again got rejection. See, the 142.559. Yes, in this one also I told yesterday that this level will act as a strong support, because if this level breaches on the downside, then we'll be having a sharp fall on the long side. Okay, the next one is USD CHF. See, isn't it amazing? The resistance level tested, sold out. Support level breached, pullback, support formation, again came to test. Again came to test. Okay, now this is a formation of something trend line should be drawn, because If this will be breached, it can come down to test the lower levels also. 0.95861 and 0.95840 is the support level down. On the high side, we are having resistance at the level of 0.96455. Alright, now let us see the next one. The next one is US AUD USD. See here also double bottom formation. Okay, and broke the last swing. We got a confirmation to enter. Again, there was a zone. It was a zone here. Okay, got sold out. Now this level 0.67360 is a level to be watched out. Okay, if it takes forms a support over here, because this is a zone also, if it is forming a support over here, then we can go higher to test the level of 0.67711. I'll show in the bigger time frame also, but I'm showing in the intraday time frame because I'm covering the whole day's movement in this chart. The whole screen is showing the whole day's movement. Similarly, NZD USD also the same pattern as AUD USD. Okay, USD Canadian dollar, see, this was the support level. It took a pullback from there and good rally. All right, this is a zone. If anyone can draw and show me, just show me and share it to my WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, so these are the levels to watch out in the USD Canadian dollar. See how beautifully the market respects the technical levels. So to learn is very important. NZD see, this was a trend line, historical trend line. We got a breakout in the recent time. We tested it, gave a breakdown, but formed a double bottom, and again it rallied. This is silver. For the day, silver was very dicey because in the starting one it gave a very strong pullback. See, from this zone, sharp pullback, and it is forming a rounding bottom, a sort of rounding head and shoulder. So if we are reaching this swings high, then we can aim for higher targets. The first target will be 19.925 and so on. Okay. Now let us see gold. See, gold is moving between the was moving for the whole day between the zone and the historical trend line, but now it has given a breakdown, or it breached this swing support level 1697, but it took a retest but couldn't close above and got sold out. Still selling lower targets. Now support is strong, support is at the level of 1684.81. All right, now next one is, oh, this is US dollar index. Let us see Bitcoin. See how the levels got respected. Okay, for the whole day the crypto was also consolidating because it was waiting for the movement of the US market. See, Ethereum gave very good positional trades for the whole day. There is nothing like the trade is not made in anything. Trades are made. We just need to find the opportunity and trade them. See, this is a zone. Okay. BNB. See, also beautifully. If anyone could find this level to short, you must have made a good profit. See, this is Luna. Luna, my god. Money destroy. See, Matic. Wait for the level of 0.8280 to be tested, alright? Now, see, GBP USD and GBP AUD. See how beautifully what tested, couldn't sustain this candle. We told that it is going to give a sell off, and this trending is the candle in which we entered, and a good profit was booked. Alright, now this is getting breached. We need to wait for this last swing to be tested. If it is breached, then it is a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and then we must wait for this zone to be broken. If broken, then again we will see a panic selling in this GBP AUD. Now this is US oil. See, a good pullback playing level to level. Okay, wait for this level to be tested. Wait for this swing high to be tested. There is a supporter and it needs to be tested, because if it will be broken, then this last swing will also be broken. Okay, so this is the performance report for today and what opportunities between the levels we got to trade in and make some good bucks in shorting and going long in the currency pairs, indices, commodities, and crypto. All right, I hope you learn from my analysis and you note down the levels, and also you are willing to take the course. So just to enroll for the course, it will be a lifetime training opportunity. The content that I place here is only for the education purpose, and I just tell what I do, what I take on my screen, and what I execute in the real account. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, do enroll for the course. All right. I'll see you.